Hey everyone, how y'all doing? Got another unboxing video for you, and this is something I've been waiting to get for a long time. It's from BladeHQ. I've been waiting for this since it was announced it was being made, and figure out how to open it. I'm using the Rough Rider canoe pattern knife that I won from Garrecore EDC's giveaway. But yeah, this is the WE Banter. I've been waiting for this ever since Ben Peterson said he was making it. Um, you don't know who Ben Peterson is. He worked for BladeHQ. He did the um, what I can't remember exactly what the show, their YouTube videos, Banter Talk or whatever, knife banter, and this is basically his perfect EDC knife. So a lot of people, including myself, been waiting for, oh geez, good 6 months or more to get it, and just packing peanuts. Cool. Benchmade sticker. Oh, that's cool. Um, yeah. So he left BladeHQ. He had drawn this knife up, designed his knife as perfect EDC knife, and he went to WE to have it made, and we actually have the Banter. So this is a 2004B Banter. I got the black G10 handle and the black stone washed. So let's take a look at it. If I can open it without destroying the box. So kind of like the Civivis, which is WE's budget line. Comes in a nice little case. Got your gel. Got a Banter sticker. Got your normal Civivi WE Dragon and Eagle stickers. Paperwork. Nice cleaning cloth. And now I've seen this knife. My son ordered one also. He got it yesterday, so I got to play with his yesterday. But finally got mine. So here it is. It is a smaller knife for sure. I don't think my lighting's all that good today. Or maybe because it's all black, but yeah. This thing is nice. Now I wear extra large size gloves, and this fits my hand pretty good. You can see my pinky kind of wraps around this flat spot. But yeah, I played with my sons last night quite. Ooh, I think action's better on this one. Blade centering, dead iron, and I'm gonna see if I can get the lighting a little better. I'm gonna pause the video, adjust my lighting. Okay, I guess that's about the best I can get. Now I got some shadow, but yeah, pretty sweet little knife. Do some size comparisons real quick. Do the Steel Will Cut Jack Mini. You can see the Banter is a little bit smaller. Let's try Para 3 Lightweight. Quite a bit smaller than the Para 3. Let's do CRKT Pete. Now these are very close. You actually have a little longer blade, and the Banter a lot more cutting edge. Let's try the mini bug out. Now, very close. Mini bug out and the Banter very close in blade length, handle length. The WE Banter is a little taller, which feels my hand a lot better. Feels more comfortable. And the mini bug out's not bad, but it's smaller this way, so the Banter does feel better in my hand. Now, look at one more knife comparison, and it's a Civivi Elementum. Now, the Elementum is a great EDC knife. The copper one's a little bit heavy, but I love this Elementum. It's one of the best, I think, my personal opinion, one of the best EDC knives you can have. You can see some similarities. How it's pretty much straight and blade straight off from it. This is more of a drop point. And this is they're calling it a spear point, but there's a lot of similarities right there. So, you know, Ben Peterson said he's taken parts of knives that he really liked, the best of the best, and he combined it into his personal ultimate EDC knife. And you can see he took a little bit from the, I'm sure he took a little bit from the Elementum, plus WE and Civivi, same company, right? So there's got to be some takeaway from the Elementum, which, not to take away from the Banter, but they came out with S35VN steel Elementums, and I have one on the way. I have a black blade with a natural G10, the jade scales, S35 steel, so that's on order. Be ready for that video. I think that's going to be a good knife. But back to the Banter. You got an overall length of 6.5 inches. The blade is 2.875, so round up to 2.9. Blade thickness is 0.10, and check it. Do it right there. So I got 0.0965. So really good thin blade stock. So I do the weight while doing stuff. So it weighs 2.85 ounces. So it's good weight. It's not too light. It's definitely not as light as the mini bug out, but there's more blade, more handle. Like I said, spear points, flat ground. It's got this stone wash black coating. I really like it. It's not just a solid black painted like the K-bar dozer. Boy, I do like this. Handle length is 3.625. Handle width is 1.125, so it is a little taller. Handle thickness is 0.45, so it's not, a little bit thicker than the Elementum. Feels about like the cut jack. Might be just a little thinner than Para 3, lightweight. But yeah, these things sold out on BladeHQ. The Ben blue ones, they come in two colors, all black like this, and then a blue and stonewash blade like the sticker. The Ben blue ones sold out real quick. The black ones lasted maybe 4 hours and they were sold out, but I guess BladeHQ had a exclusive launch where they released them, and in a week or so the Banters will be in other dealers, so you can check them out. You'll still be able to get them fairly quick. But yeah, man, I think the action is awesome. I think Ben's right. I think he created a very, very good EDC knife. I have a hard time not carrying my regular size, full size bug out, and now that's definitely going to be competing with the Banter. Well, I guess that's it though. I just want to do an unboxing, a quick review, first impressions. I'll carry this for a few days, and I'll do more of a review later on. But first impressions, you know, S35 VN steel, G10 handles, ceramic ball bearing pivot, ceramic ball detent, a real deep carry pocket clip with, oh no, I dropped it. I dropped the Banter. Oh, I marked it up a little bit. But anyways, back to the clip. Yeah, I marked the clip a little bit. But screws and the clip are recessed, so it'll definitely be a deep carry. You can see nothing sticks above it. But yeah, so I guess that's it. Like I said, I just want to do a quick unboxing review, you know, short review and first impressions. And my first impressions is I really, 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 really like it. But guess until next time, remember to hit the like button, leave a comment down below, subscribe to the channel, and bye.